Are you tired of your solo sucking even when you're using the right notes? I struggled with that too until I learned a super easy way to practice that eliminated wrong notes and made my soloing finally click. So in this video, I'm going to show you a simple method that turns mini scale patterns into solos that nail the chord changes and sound impressive. Let's talk about why some notes in your solos just don't sound right, even when you're technically playing the correct scale. Here's the deal. Every scale has two types of notes. Some are what we call chord tones. These are the notes that make up the chord you're playing over. The rest are in-between notes, or what musicians call tensions. Imagine you are Little Red Riding Hood on your way to Grandma's house. Your mom told you to stay on the path to be safe. The path is like the green notes. But along the way, you see some fun, if slightly dangerous things off the path, like a cool tree to climb, some flowers to pick among thorny bushes, and a cute little wolf you really want to play with. These are the red notes, the tensions. They add excitement and color to your solos. They make things interesting and fun. Yeah, go ahead and play the red notes. Have fun. Just come back to the path every now and then before you get into trouble. Knowing which notes are the safe path and which are the adventures is crucial. But being able to find your way back to safety in real time is the challenge. So how can you train yourself to explore those adventurous tension notes and always find your way home so your solos sound confident and intentional? Here's a dead simple melodic sound with only two notes that anyone can play instantly. I'm playing scale degrees 2 and 1 back and forth, tension to resolution. We add a little rhythm and it sounds like this. Now let's apply this pattern to the chords of a 12-bar blues progression. That already sounds pretty good. But we can take this further. Let's do the same pattern, but resolve the 4, another red note, to its green note neighbor, the 3. This exercise is training us to neatly resolve scale tension notes to chord tones, and it comes directly out of Adam Larson's Magic of Melody course, which is part of the Better Sax membership. Along with Adam's other courses, Chord Tone Zone and the Rhythmic Pyramid, beginner and intermediate improvisers have a set of amazingly effective tools to play great solos with confidence and nail the chord changes. I'm going to show you another level of this now, and if you just want the free stuff, keep watching. But if you want my help improving your saxophone sound, rhythm, and improvisation skills, I put a link in the description where you can learn more about becoming a Better Sax member. You probably guessed that we can do the same thing, resolving the red tension note 6 to the green chord tone note 5, like this. I'll let you practice that one on your own over a 12-bar blues progression. Now I'd like to quickly demonstrate for you how using this easy 2-note pattern with different rhythms can sound when we apply it in the context of an improvised solo. is literally just the tip of the iceberg in the full magic of melody course. There are many more ways to practice this method that will instantly improve your soloing. After spending some time on this stuff, you will play with better rhythm, stronger melodic ideas, and you'll always be inside the chord changes, resolving tensions like a boss. But why does this work? And how can we take such a simple idea and turn it into actual solos? I once heard a great bit of advice that came from Miles Davis. He said, make your standards sound like originals and your originals sound like standards. Miles was referring to composition, of course, but we can apply this concept to soloing as well. A good starting point is to try to play improvised solos that sound like good melodies. If you analyze any good song melody, you're going to find constant examples of this tension to resolution, red note to green. Here are just a few examples. It's the effective use of tension to resolution that makes those melodies sound so strong. You can apply what you've learned so far in this video to your improvised solos and instantly play more interesting and memorable lines. But what if you want to take this further and add in more notes and speed to what you play? There's actually a perfect little scale that has 3 green notes and 2 red ones. It's called the pentatonic scale, and it makes all this very easy. Go watch this video next, where I show you exactly how to practice it to develop the solid rhythm and technique you need to play great solos on your saxophone. And if you're serious about improving your saxophone sound, rhythm, and improvisation skills, click the link in the description to learn more about becoming a better sax member.